Not just reading the Quran, so you have to go through this. It will explain you more and more clear. This is the one of the book for that dictionary, especially for that design. For that one. You go review that one, you'll see how it's divided and how it's very.
So I can read this thing. With this help of this dictionary,
Yeah,
easily we can able to understand what
yes.
you are saying.
And
Yeah,
all
yes.
the everything started from the Bismillah and how to the prayer.
So that's all. Like actually,
I was going to send it this, but you know, according to the mailing and the problem,
yeah.
I didn't send it that time.
So one little book also there, you know.
Yeah, I got it. I was just.
What is Islam and Asia?
That's I switched from Indian Amazon directly to him.
Yes.
My This is
Quran
Quranic.
एक जो है ना, but generally I cannot read that.
That's right.
Nice.
But here, you see here,
Explanation, all explanation here.
any each Arabic text, and you have the explanation.
Yes. This should be.
So you can
Each by so each chapter, each verses, it has explained each one and with the explanation one.
Yes,
That
what
one.
is
And brief one, just very it's very small.
That's enough. If we can
Yeah.
read this thing, just
Yeah.
we can follow that what he is telling.
Exactly.
What is the meaning
exactly.
of this thing?
Yes. What's meaning? And this is complete also, and at the end it all explained
Areva.
the university and everywhere,
It is very beautiful. This book.
and how to pronounce all the letters and everything. Most likely. Inshallah.
Areva. Thank you very much.
Aye.
Are-
Thank you. Inshallah.
आ जाओ तुम भी बाजू
खरीब है तुम खरीब हो
टोपी कहाँ है
बाद में लाइन आगे पड़े मतलब
It's not mandatory to have like
No, not what. Just Abdullah he has given to
no
me.
no just joking
Till from the morning I wear that thing.
वहाँ पे अलेन में है अबू धाबी में है ना लेक्चर का
Yes, there's a center to explain you more about Islam and more clearly. There's a special for the new who are introducing the new information about Islam. They have a center there in Abu Dhabi. Maybe my brother, when he bring you there sometime, we'll go in there and chat with them. You know?
No, he can deliver the speech in English only. No?
Yeah, you can speak English, everything.
all
Any language
language.
they can usually, but in English it's very simple for them because
right.
most of the English is there speaking.
Yes.
And the guy told me that if you bring him here, I can explain him more clearly, and whatever you have question, you can just throw him, he'll give you back.
Yeah.
now you put all your questions you can ask them
Yes.
what you have in your
He will explain
yeah,
properly.
yeah,
Yes,
because they have they're
He will
experts.
explain, not like him.
Ah.
Directly fighting with you, He will explain more clearly.
And then
This guy, he don't have
logically
explanation.
firing
Just shooting directly, So just avoid him.
Okay, definitely.
Inshallah. Good luck, inshallah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you can't go over at any time. That's why I didn't send it. It's the mailing posed me that.
Generally, whenever I got that idle time,
Yeah.
the morning hours,
Mhm.
5 to 7,
Yeah.
I will be very idle.
Yes.
At that time,
But
only
this
I used
will
to
be more easier for you. The Quran itself is you cannot just
just
go.
now, and I told you,
Yeah.
wait for 1 year or 6 months.
Yeah.
Later on, I can speak to you. What is the Quran? What is the
Yes.
Islam and everything?
I
I
will
can
explain
explain
to you. I will explain to you.
Just
Really, it is most of the Muslims they are not reading in a proper way and not learning Islam.
No,
and
they know
Quran.
about the Quran and all those things,
Yeah,
but they
but
cannot
practice,
express the
yeah,
properly,
enough.
That's
Yeah.
cannot express this
Ah,
thing
yeah.
properly.
This is the-
They have
How
to
to tell the people in a
Just
proper way.
not
you listen me first of all. If you can listen the what Dr. Zakir
Yeah.
son, he can that proper such a person that
Yeah, expert.
whatever the speech he is giving,
Specialist,
easily we can able to understand that the language itself is very simply language.
Simple
you know?
and this is the simple one.
Nice.
I searched for that. The simplest way for the un-Muslim or un-English guy or
Yeah.
anybody can speak. This is the most simple
simple
one.
words.
That's why it's a clear Quran.
Yes.
And if you just dig in the net, you will find it. It's
Yes,
very,
yeah, easily
Yeah.
I can able to understand.
Inshallah. Good luck.
Right, thank you.
Thank you. No problem. See you, inshallah.
Right, bhai.
Okay, maybe I have to go now. It's 9:10.